fits! Damn thing fits! I thought there were no more spaces.
Come on. Oh, fuck. Come on, Volvo. Come on, today, Crosby. You fucking idiot. Dumbass. What a dickhole. See, this cyclist actually stops for the red light. At least he stopped for pedestrians, that's a start. No, straight through a red light.
Yeah. Never even saw him, but let me ask you about the person under the radar first. Jack could...
What is this absolute buffoon in this Mercedes doing? Look at this clown. It's an 80k speed camera in the tunnel. He's cutting lanes all over the place trying to bloody go down left, go down trucks, cuts in front of me. Now goes this guy. What a moron. Dude, you're doing all that. Where the fuck are you? You're in the exact same place you started. What was the literal point of anything you've just done?
Yeah. Damn. And then I fast forwarded to some more legends, which was the last match.
Dickhead.
Where every single Hogan. Now how they sold him on this.
Well, this fucking idiot in this van can't stay in a fucking lane.
Says the Night of Midget defeated Andre the Giant. And the story describes Jerry Lawler as being about 5'6" and using his quickness to surprise the Giant.
Well, this idiot just comes down the curbside, almost gets hit. Complete moron.
Yes, I do. And I mean, I can tell you from personal experience that the way that they actually treated me and how they timing of what they did to me.
How you doing?
And trying to
my
get me
God.
to test.
You dumb fuck. That fucking woman just brought a 100km/h lane on a fucking motorway to a complete halt. Almost had a fucking huge slam right in the back of me because they decided they missed their exit. Now let's wanker. Straight through the red. What the fuck is this guy doing? For fuck's sake. Get out of the fucking... What the... Ah, fuck. Get out of the fucking way. Fucking wankers.
Oh no, you're a fuckwit, an absolute fuckwit. Yeah, just stupid dumb bitch.
Was going on about something. What the
fuck?
Moron. Nitwick, Titbag, Bogan 00.
Or renter's insurance along with your auto policy. It's a good thing too, because you already have so much to do around your home. Go to geico.com, get a quote, and see how much you could save. It's Geico easy. Visit Geico.
What are you doing? Straight through the red light. Okay, now. What a dickhead.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
The first contact was Steve Taylor, who was a photographer for WWE, that came and gave all the note from Vince. Said, hey, here's Vince McMahon's phone number. He'd like for you to call him. And that's what really started that whole negotiation and that opening up that door for Hogan to come in and for all of that to take place. So it's I think Andre and Hogan had a good relationship, always did to my knowledge, and I'm sure that Andre did have a little bit of a say. He said, oh, go to New York, stay there. Oh, good. It's a good place. It's like Geico. I like Geico.
Yeah, because you like saving money.
Look at this total fucking idiot. Fuckwit. This guy, look, no indicators, lane change. He comes up, tailgating cars in the right lane, intimidating them. Then just tries to force his way over because he wants to exit. This guy's a total meathead. What a freaking clown. Gonna force his way through areas. What a piece of shit. That's right, the West Connect M4 M5 link. Now, I'm not kidding. This guy's doing about 80 in a 60 zone now. He's pulling like, look at this fucking meat.
Where it once was. Did you think that Sean was going to be the guy to be the draw?
Red shit all over the place. Glass and shit. Guessing this guy's sodomized someone. Yep. Right up the ass. The sodomizee is nowhere to be seen.
Here on the Titantron, and they had sort of figured out, okay, Sean will say this, and then we'll play the tape of Undertaker saying that.
Stay connected. Just went straight through the fucking red light. Man ought to have his ass removed. Fucker. What the fuck? That's one way to go into your driveway, you dumb shit. Whoa.
You fucking donkey!
To infinity and beyond! Buzz, we missed the truck! We're not aiming for the truck.